say more year demolition be but your area no your friend was saying
okay many amedasi mini kan emma woti for ne wahefo nyina akyen no pay and ko no baby aye demolition no the popular name obi owo area ho bia no oba obehu Kambola chese bola so
okay
na ewo aye between Sabunzongo ne Asanwase a line ohwe menshia runabout one more the is adjoining the menshia runabout a menshia runabout Malcolm any will take a chi honum ehwasem na yekin.
Okay. But about saying a demolition, we on comfort team. About saying,
you mean you Osha area no drew honomo a year area Jumadi bebre na Kosovo ho. Ye or more repair motorbikes, any tricycles, your carpenters or ho. Ye or more so ewo containers or ho mudi and sana ye wo mo so abobo entwibu ni nwabu a omo so yen emoa ewo mu ye ka omo na dɔɔso pa omo yen na ntwie ne enwan no na dɔɔso wo pa omo take over the place na better na otwimi no a atwa mu in a space of 4 days no nipa kunkum yenu na koso wo emu baako allegedly omo kire se ofa obisika na also mo ba ho na say the attack no Ghanaian balance mo no say ye bo na wo confess talk true ti allegedly the never share honom ebo no akopem say wo yemre ye de no Rashidru hospital no na say BID in health terms no say broken dead odru ho no na say wo no na ye call honom ko assess situation no ye ka say call ho na say ni music municipal security council call e ko assess situation no na say the general apro wo ho no LED say obia e say o say site no etimi free honom because e ade a etasi e wo ho criminal elements kakra wo honom a bonidie kakra kokko so ho na ye ba bedru ya na ade echen ya be say 3 days time na yasa koto se yasa bu obi te kuno hono ma wada ono ani mojemu na se employee immediate betna so issue communicate se e wo se sa place no ye de e ba from ye yini nyina gu hono se de be ya se be nipa bonefo samsa e koso no so ti bi betwa ye discuss e wo music level Sade ko regional security council level ma yenya okay ewo ho na o say enra ye ba na ye be di say adwumadie ti se mu say enra ye di say adwumadie no ana che say ne ko fa ba no
wow enti dia na mo like mo ye operation we no bi munya bibi confirming activities e koso ho ne ade.
Normally, BB says here you are not likely, especially when you have given indication, say, Obaba be bubu, and now by exercise, so be Heidi BB Krano, the person will advise himself. And you know, Rabo Sona, so far, they may report, everyone on the ground was not engaged in another official activity elsewhere. And so far, my report on Chile said, be offensive weapon be na say any other weapon and drug and be bisa be so far I've not gotten that briefing yet, but I think say bibi no ma be etesa ho kra na nipa na ntwen say obeba bedru honum na so
chief ade ho no biaya wo said the wokan ya akoye area criminals agiaboso and run mo koye no I mean later report an enya just said drugs crime dealing drugs and other things anytime I'm busa say mutimi confirm is adi and say banisa ya timia continue more for what's ya did you almost watch do
Osha 22nd me wo sa letter no me we am push am 22nd May 2015 na enoma say ya complaining about ya e dey akobubu hoy e koso ho sa ema the then music any municipal assembly no ya superman for municipal assembly ya ya adwene se o mbetu om na omo bubu ho no munyina na omo ho no e de omo nsa share krata ase e chiro betre assembly no se omada omo bosome na omo fam pe baabi na omo se sa omo no manko se de be ya assembly no betimi abubu se de e course no na bosome ade trade no ekoye 11 years 22nd May 2015 to 22nd July 2026 last week that group ya sa chro letter every assembly say oh almost rebe ya nka yema omomre kakra enti reference I dem omo no say the last time one most say mo pebo so me no it take 11 years na mo da so tifo and there is no reason to believe we say embre na mo sa pese mo sere no yeti afi mamo mo be move because you say sabedi o waka no osuro so and na o say e konie ko take sa action na yetimi a safeguard public safety and security e was ampotembo any asogoreman po nyina in general
and what happens mo be protect her and mo the ho be bibi fufro in the case of Asafo the edi hun koma me say on be na temporal terminal bi kra be ba ho a so that area no betimi ya protect the area ade na mo year after this
osha nkomodia yanso ye define no we were exploring that option no so nti they say everywhere there and ejumadi na beto aso eno in fact ntimi anwie and ebeto aso na ehwa ada hoyi na explore options no doso but what we can say is as much as possible you will protect your no say the ya obia ntimi ko unse already is a made up ground ground wa so we person put up any physical infrastructure you have to excavate at a very high depth nyina ball and on so dust ni ade no aje asase no ankasa afa nti these options are on the table but say your main preoccupation is a Honda ho ujina etire a utimi hu tire ho nyina na ho na fe I explore options no numerous no
na mbacho asa incident I see what you be ho nipa me no anzo ma hwemo kwa motimachi obi
first incident no suspects no ye nipa 8 currently 5 of them ya chi omo on remand police for pursue the other 3 second incident no so far enya any lead there
they say omo legal activities e ho nyina no wo nyina ya affected
now you catch them say o ba bi etisa won so security no efabi no won so o ka ho won so oboa ema bambo sem ekoso ho obi abetoto na no bia ogitum so o ampa ahanom de enoma entwe ampa enoma say ekoso ho but you need on record omumu bia o approach assembly na police for e ka say bibi say ekoso ha e dia ye de ni ho ahoden dem ye mamu information na say ye mamu intel bia wo betimi e de akia no it's not on record and as I say oh baby na bibi ka ekoso na ofi say oh me de bia me ba say be enkame no a me timi ba e be ye madwuma no enti mekama no atomo bibi say ekoso na no I say home from
I see. Apart from a honomo, other areas be more identify within the municipal from a hono mobile movie to an idea more communicated to them say areas in areas are there cause or here they are affecting security within the municipality.
Well, say the baby I any one year a binum areas no be any normal a cause of no yeah we want to up our sleeves na ye ho adwuma nyina yiwe the municipal security council level and some ye two and more ye nti they say the be ka say focus ha eno ye di ho diwa
but possible say be hu be going forward.
It's possible.
Wow. More suspect say bia the ekoso asafona ma bi no so movie in ana
and also so ebetumi ya yesa say if no be a woli aye ni fie for some time now need nti say who move no free wa definitely baby a wo ko wunim but say wonya another slum community now settle one ye manual the person might want to do so and you know in rule out that possibility you know say ebetumi aba say bibisa akoso but we don't have it on authority.
Okay. Chief, me jam wako. Me kai me no di nkomo bi aba branche bi ana we release ne sewage ama amount for affected within the area. Me kai video no crown has gone viral pa me no interview no. Me nim anamo a waturi afa ho because at the time we catch me say mo refer matter no to the police. Yes, and nti but we be see.
Currently, office prosecution said none of many would inquire can't answer. And they're now court to our office prosecution. And you know, area the outcome of the prosecution, which we believe will be say court of Bechunasono. Yabema Martina Mabo on the road.
Now, Obi Bisa on Facebook say Dagomba lines also at the more used to be an
Dagomba line no. Oshevo ye pa e move fan kese no kra ewura oforikrum.
Okay.
Ti sheda enye askoroma ponsa.
Okay.
But honom no activities course no omoye squatters all right but on sheda nya sabi yudi semone etun bone ni ade no sa omo no kodi omo pa na je no omo beda just say it's a slum na enye sabi ewudi semone ade se ene yabo obi ekono ha na se etun bone ana bibisa ho ha demom se de medi kan chiri no o hwe hono mo a le fa kese no ewura fo group more than say e was korama.
I see. Chief, that's it. You know, thank you. Mr. Friend Honorable Ben Abdallah Alhasan, OMC at the Masquerade Mampon. And I know that didn't come on. Now, in so many years, that my catcher said, no one, I say, and if you